Stop using antibiotics. This powerful mixture will eliminate all dangerous bacteria from your stomach. Unfortunately, many people around the world have too much bad bacteria in their stomachs. This bacteria can cause various diseases and the treatment for removing them is very difficult. Well, this is the main reason why we're going to show you how to make this powerful 2-ingredient remedy, which will help you get rid of them. As we said, you just need 2 simple ingredients: figs and olive oil. Yes, you got that right, figs and olive oil is the best remedy for bacteria in the stomach. An introduction to figs. Figs are the fruit of the ficus tree, which is part of the mulberry family, Moraceae. Figs have a unique, sweet taste, soft and chewy texture and are littered with slightly crunchy, edible seeds. Fresh figs are delicate and perishable, so they are often dried to preserve them. This produces a sweet and nutritious dried fruit that can be enjoyed all year round. There are multiple varieties of fig, all of which vary widely in color and texture. Their unique feature is a little bud-like opening called an ostiole at the top that helps the fruit develop. Their natural sweetness meant that, before the days of refined sugars, they were often used as a sweetener. The experts say that figs in olive oil are a recipe that originates from the coastal areas. It's an amazing natural and safe remedy for lots of health conditions, including stomach problems. Hemorrhoids, constipation, high cholesterol, anemia, asthma, bronchitis, and even infertility. Some women say that this natural remedy helped get pregnant. Did you know that figs are one of the highest plant sources of calcium, which is an excellent alternative for the therapeutic treatment of people who are allergic to dairy products? Well, yes, and you should also know that this fruit is rich in dietary fiber. Because of this, they may have a laxative effect. And they're effective in promoting weight loss too. Figs are also a great source of potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure and other important bodily functions. Omega-3 and omega-6 they contain help to maintain blood pressure and coronary heart attacks as well. Figs also contain a good amount of vitamin C, which helps to lighten and even out the skin tone. They are also loaded with antioxidants that gives you healthy and glowing skin. Figs are high in vitamin B6, which has long been thought to be beneficial in treating morning sickness. Recipe for dried figs in olive oil. You will need the following ingredients: 40 pieces of high-quality dried figs. Olive oil. Directions: first, you need to put the dried figs in a jar and then pour olive oil to the top of the jar. Close it and keep for 40 days. During these days the figs will absorb a lot of olive oil. Eat 1 fig before every meal. You'll be amazed by the results. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not forget to check out more videos, which will appear shortly.